If you want to make shot in Rematch, you can do it by using left mouse button on PC. If you are playing on PlayStation controller, you can do it by R2, and if you are playing on Xbox controller, you can use right trigger. So basically, if you are click this control, you can make the shot. If you are hold this control, you can make the stronger shot. Also, if you want to curve the ball while you shooting, just take direction that you want. So if I want to curve ball right now, so I'm holding R2 in my case and just set direction in the right, as you can see, just like that. Also, I can curve the ball in the left, just like that, and as you can see, ball is changing direction to left. Basically that's all. Subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.